That's the ketchup and mustard spec. He's got too much mustard though.
William's always yapping about Rez, so I think I'm gonna send him a couple of pictures of it.
Oh! And a 996 turbo.
Dude, that spec was so good.
750. Smells like toothpaste.
Sucker might be running like that's the reason that car smelled that.
Oh Lord. Oh, that was a supercharge. You hear that? Did you hear that super? Oh, we know him.
That the one with the nugget?
That's why it's the best 6-cylinder there is. Oh, there goes the F83 and the RS3. F83 and the RS3. Oh, R30.
That body will let him go.
What is he doing? Another R34. That's a Porsche. I highly doubt that thing even drifts. What the actual fudge, bro? Yo, what is going on?
Citizens arrest, citizens arrest.
Holy crap. Is that an Aston Martin? Is that so?
It's a parade.
Yo. Oh, that's a Karma. That's a Karma Frisk. That's the first one I've seen in years. Holy. Look at that. Yo, that thing sounds amazing. Yeah, what the heck's going on? Holy crap. What is going on? I for sure thought they were shutting down the intersection and like...
Look at that Impala.
After the last time we were here. I think it's a Roush. Oh, GT500. What else is coming?
So there's a
C8s.
car show and then there's a moving car show.
Corvettes. That was to film rollers.
I'm the Honda Accord getting.
What do you mean about that? State Trooper's not messing around. Holy, is that a ZR1?
I mean, just out here. That is terrible.
Well, that's probably why they just packed it out here.
Now it's the Z06.
Because here goes all the cars that are probably normally out here.
Oh no, I swear. They're like,
Gumball rally getting ready to start.
oh yeah. 650. It's the first 650 in ages, dude.
I didn't say it was.
Yes, you did. You just said
No, I
the Z06.
said this Z06 looks like it's about to do a
He's got his license plate sticking off the front. Roush. Good lord.
That cop's like,
Then what if they're just in a big setup to arrest everyone?
Here we go.
Holy crap.
Now there's going to be 10,000 cars going that way, 10,000 cars going that way. I ain't never seen that. Isn't that cool?
I want to see what's in that back over there. What is that? That's why C6. Oh yeah. ATSV. Good lord.
Got two Supras.
I told you! I told you!